Have you ever wondered how some men manage to have so much energy in bed? The answer will surprise you. And no, it has nothing to do with expensive medications or complicated treatments. There is a simple trick with salt that takes only 15 seconds and is changing the lives of many men. This method has even been proven by a Harvard study. My husband tried it and the results were unbelievable. For years he struggled, tried everything, and depended on pills that didn't deliver the desired effect. But after he started using this simple trick, applying salt under his tongue, everything changed. Today, our routine is completely different. The secret lies in the effect of salt, which can increase blood circulation by up to 324%. This naturally boosts energy regardless of age. Even men over 70 are experiencing incredible results. My husband left all his frustration behind and gained a confidence I had never seen before. Now he's the one who needs to be stopped because he's making up for all the lost time. If you also want to find out how to do this, he recorded a video showing the step-by-step method. Imagine surprising your partner, reigniting the spark in your relationship, and waking up the next day refreshed and ready for more. The video link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Click now and check it out. But don't wait too long. This video could be taken down at any moment.